Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you best way to promote affiliate offer on Facebook in 2023. So if you are beginner and doing affiliate marketing on Facebook so that you can promote your affiliate offer, then watch this video. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly best way, or you can say best strategy to promote your affiliate offer or affiliate products on Facebook, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that if you want to know how to make $1,000 per month, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where I have revealed how you can make $1,000 per month doing affiliate marketing in 7 simple steps. So yes, if you are just new, then go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So now here, without any delay, let me show you best way to promote affiliate offer or affiliate products on Facebook in 2023. So here I would say your first step is that first go and optimize your Facebook profile. Yes, this is very important, and if you don't know how to optimize your Facebook profile, then down below I have put the link of my training where I have shown you how you can optimize your Facebook profile for affiliate marketing. And here, yes, I would say optimizing your Facebook profile is very important, because when someone lands or visits on your Facebook profile, they must say, yes, this is for me, this guy has solution to my problem, right? So that's why it is very important to optimize your Facebook profile for affiliate marketing business, right? So go and optimize your Facebook profile. Now second thing that you have to do, here I'm assuming that you have optimized your Facebook profile. Then after optimizing your Facebook profile, go and start adding people to your Facebook friend list, those who are your ideal prospect. Yes, here I'm giving emphasis on ideal prospect. Don't randomly add to everybody on your Facebook profile. Yes, this is very important to understand that don't add everybody on your Facebook profile, because you are using your Facebook profile for business purpose only. So don't add people those who are not related to business that you are going to do on your Facebook profile. Yes, you might be thinking that, hey Pankaj, I'm having my friends and relative on my profile. Yes, what you can do, you can filter out your friends and relative from those who are your ideal prospects. So you can filter out, and yes, if you don't know how to filter out, yes, there are so many videos on YouTube you can go and check out, right? Or if you are dare enough, then yes, you can remove out every friends and every relative from your friend list, those who are not related to your business, or you can say to some extent they are not going to help you to grow your affiliate marketing business, right? So you can remove out everybody and keep everyone those who are into affiliate marketing business, or those you think that they are your ideal prospects, right? So yes, start adding people to your Facebook friend list. And yes, for that you can go to Facebook groups. Those are specially related to affiliate marketing business, so you can go and check out these groups and you can go and start adding people to your friend list, right? Now next thing that you have to do, when you are adding people to your Facebook friend list, especially those who are your ideal prospect, then what you have to do, start posting valuable content on your Facebook profile, giving solutions to your ideal prospects problem. Yes, this is very important. This business is all about value, so you have to give value first. So yes, on your Facebook profile, start adding start posting some valuable content that is related to your ideal prospects problem. So note down each and every problems that your ideal prospects has, and one by one start giving solution to their problems. For example, there are people, they don't know how to optimize Facebook profile, so that can be your post. So you can create a post, or you can create a video and go and post that video on your Facebook profile. So to some extent, what you are doing, you are helping people. You are helping people so that they can get to know that how to optimize Facebook profile, right? And second problem can be like, there are people, they don't know how to get traffic. So you can create any post on traffic and or video, and that video or content you can post on your Facebook profile, right? So that way what you are doing, you are building trust by giving value. And you know that nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you, right? So when you add people to your Facebook friend list, especially those who are your ideal prospect, slowly they will start liking you, they will start knowing you. And yes, if you provide more value, more valuable content on your Facebook profile, then what will happen? There will be trust. And you know that when trust is built, then everything will be easy. You don't have to chase for the sale. People will come and they will ask you, hey, give me your affiliate link, right? So yes, start posting valuable content considering the problems of your ideal customer. Now next thing you have to do, go and start commenting on the newly added friends post by giving compliment or motivate, or you can say, or you can motivate them. Yes, this is very important to build a relationship. First you have to come forward and give some you can say, give a compliment to their post, write some you can say encouraging words so that they feel good. So that way what will happen, you will start building a kind of relationship with them. Yes, they are not knowing to you, but when you start complimenting or you start commenting on their post by giving some nice words, nice you can say nice compliments, then they will feel good and they will come to your profile and they will check, yes, what you are up to, who are you, right? So slowly you can say you will start building relationship with them. So this is your you can say next thing that you have to do, right? So here what you can say you are nurturing them slowly, right? They will come and they will check your profile. It's a human tendency. When someone comments on my post, so it's a human tendency, I go and check who is that guy, right? So slowly you will see that you are building relationship, right? Now next thing, now this is your money making post. So we call it call to action post, or you can say CTA post. So have call to action post on your Facebook profile promoting your affiliate offer, where you say something like, hey, who wants to know how to make 10k per month without selling the product? So this is your CTA post. So those who are interested, please comment yes, or comment start, comment 10k. So whosoever comment on your post, they will be your ideal person or your ideal prospect to promote your affiliate offer, right? So that you have to do. And next thing, yes, those who shows interest or comment on your CTA post, redirect them to your affiliate offer in the messenger. Yes, you have to say them, hey, I have sent a message in your messenger, please go and check out. So here, yes, in the messenger you can qualify them whether they are perfect for your affiliate offer. If you think that yes, they are perfect for your affiliate offer, then yes, you can send your affiliate link or your affiliate offer that you are promoting, right? So this is the strategy, or this is the way that you have to apply while promoting your affiliate offer. And here let me show you one of my CTA post, how it looks like. You can see that. So I posted this on 6th January, and my CTA post, it says like, who wants free copy of my hand-picked 11 Facebook groups where you can find your ideal customers for your low or high ticket affiliate offer. So whosoever comment on this post, then what I will do, I will give them the copy, and side by side what I will do, I will promote my affiliate offer by saying that, hey, by the way, if you want more information, then, or you can say if you want to learn how to start your high ticket affiliate marketing business, then go and check out my free training. Here is the link, and this is the free training where I'm promoting my affiliate offer. So now you know overall the idea, overall the strategy, that how to promote your affiliate offer, or you can say affiliate products on Facebook in 2023. What's the right way, what's the best strategy, right? You can see that there are 45 comments, right? So these are the people, those who are my ideal, you can say, prospect, and they are, you can say, to some extent they are my ideal prospect, and they are showing interest to my offer that I am promoting, right? So that's how you promote your affiliate offer, right? So that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Then go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.